In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Microsoft Forms survey in under 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct research, or just collect some quick opinions, Microsoft Forms is a fantastic tool that makes it all straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to get your survey out there for respondents to start clicking away. First things first, we'll need to head to Microsoft Forms. This platform is accessible through any modern web browser. Once you're there, the process begins by signing in. For many of us, this might mean using our Microsoft account credentials. This could be your personal, work, or school email associated with Microsoft. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in. After entering your email, you'll click on Next. It's just like signing into any other service, but it's essential for accessing the full features of Microsoft Forms. Following this, you'll be asked for your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups at this stage. Passwords are the key to keeping our accounts secure, so take your time to ensure it's entered accurately before proceeding to click on Next again. Upon successful login, you'll be taken to your Forms dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you're new to Microsoft Forms, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. For those of you who already have a survey ready to go, simply select it from your dashboard. This is your launchpad for creating new forms and managing existing ones, but today we're focused on getting your survey published. Now it's time to share your survey with the world, or perhaps just a targeted group, depending on your needs. Look for the Collect Responses button. This is where you decide how you want to distribute your survey. Microsoft Forms offers several sharing options, including a direct link, a QR code, or embedding it in a website or email. Each method has its own advantages, so choose the one that best suits how you'd like to reach your audience. Selecting a sharing method is the final step, but let's talk a bit about the importance of each option. If you opt for a direct link, you can easily share it across social media, in chat messages, or anywhere else you can post a link. The QR code is perfect for print materials or places where people can scan with their mobile devices. Embedding your survey gives a seamless experience on your website, ensuring participants don't need to navigate a way to provide their feedback. Before we wrap up, let's highlight a couple of additional tips to maximize your survey's impact. First, consider your audience carefully when choosing your sharing method. You want to make it as convenient as possible for them to participate. Also, take a moment to review your survey before sending it out. It's crucial to make sure all questions are clear and there are no typos or other errors that could confuse your respondents. Finally, after publishing, keep an eye on your survey responses. Microsoft Forms provides excellent tools for analyzing data, helping you make informed decisions based on the feedback you receive. And just like that, you're ready to publish your survey on Microsoft Forms. The process is quick, easy, and allows for flexibility in how you choose to share your survey with participants. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, conducting academic research, or planning the next office party, Microsoft Forms is a powerful tool that can help you collect the data you need efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. Publish your surveys with confidence, and may the responses you gather lead to insightful results. Happy surveying!